Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll learn how to create and manage an item in the Stock module. From the home page, open Stock and go to the Items module. Here you'll find all your items. To add a new one, click Create. On the Add an Item form, enter the item's key identifiers, the article code, design code, HS code, and a clear part description, along with any free text notes and applicable tags. Next, classify the item by selecting its product group, default storage location, material of construction, and unit of measurement. Set the minimum and maximum stock quantities and the item weight, and choose the serial or batch tracking type if the item needs it. Once the details are in, save the item. The saved item opens in Detail View, where you can build out its manufacturing setup, its bill of materials, routings, and work order terms. To create a similar item quickly, use Copy Item. OEMup clones all the details from an existing item, so you only need to change what's different, like the article code. Add selling prices, with support for quantity-based price tiers. Mark whether the item is procured, sellable, or subject to quality control, so it behaves correctly across purchasing and sales. OEMup validates your entries as you go. For instance, ensuring the maximum quantity isn't below the minimum. Save the item. On a procured item, you can also maintain purchase terms by vendor, attach supporting documents, and record notes. That's how you can create and manage an item in OEMup.